Hello, I'm Edward and welcome to windowsreport.com. In this video, I will show you what to do when the QLBController.exe stops working on Windows 10. The QLB controller is a process belonging to the software HP HotKey support, and its main purpose is to record keyboard and mouse inputs. But sometimes this process can stop working due to various reasons, such as outdated operating system, incorrect settings, or even corrupted files. So stay tuned and you'll be able to fix this issue in no time. For a more detailed explanation and even more solutions, please check the article in the description below. The first solution is reinstalling HP HotKey support. Several users reported that QLBController.exe stops working error can occur due to third-party applications. To fix the problem, you'll need to reinstall the HP HotKey support HP Asset component for HP Active or HP Power Assistant. If you don't have all mentioned applications on your PC, you can just uninstall the ones that are available. And once you remove them, the problem should be completely resolved. If you need to use those applications, you can just reinstall them again and the issue shouldn't appear. Another useful solution is performing an SFC and DISM scans. You can do that by clicking the Start button in the lower left corner, then writing CMD. Then right-click the command prompt and run as administrator. But before you utilize the SFC tool, enter the following command in command prompt and press Enter. Afterwards, just restart Windows if the DISM tool makes any changes. Then reopen the command prompt and input SFC/scan now in the prompts window. Then press Enter to initiate the SFC scan, which might take 20 to 30 minutes. Restart Windows if the SFC scan informs you that it repaired files. You can also perform a clean boot. You can do that by clicking the Start button in the lower left corner and writing msconfig. Then just click on System Configuration or press Enter. From System Configuration, navigate to the Services tab, check Hide All Microsoft Services and click Disable All. Then navigate to the Startup tab and click Open Task Manager. Right-click the first entry on the list, choose Disable from the menu. Do this for all entries on the list. Then return to System Configuration, click Apply and OK to save changes and restart your PC. Another great solution is setting the startup type of QuickLaunch to manual. To do that, just click the Start button in the lower left corner and simply type Services. Then click on Services. In the following window, locate QuickLaunch service on the list and double-click it to open its properties. When the Properties window opens, set the startup type to manual. Now click Apply and OK to save changes. After doing that, restart your PC and check if the problem is resolved. Alternatively, you can set the startup type to disabled and check if that helps. But if you don't have the QuickLaunch service available, then this solution shouldn't apply to you, so you can just skip it. You can also try to perform a system restore. To start with, click the search button in the lower left corner and type Run. Once you open the Run window, type the following command: rstrui. Then click OK to launch System Restore. Select the Choose a different restore point option if there's a recommended restore point. Then select the next option to continue. To see a full list of restore points, click the Show More Restore Points checkbox. If you're not sure what date to choose, just make sure to choose the oldest restore point you can. Press the next button to proceed to restore point confirmation and click Finish to confirm your selected restore point and initiate the Windows restoration process. And another great solution is installing the latest updates. You can do that by clicking the Start button in the lower left corner and then writing Settings. Then click the Settings option. Now navigate to Update and Security section. There you have to click Check for Updates button. Windows will now check for available updates. If any updates are available, they will be downloaded automatically in the background. Once you downloaded the updates, they will be installed as soon as you restart your PC. For more information and details, please check the article in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.